Tom's Cocktails.
Tom's Cocktails.
Tom's Cocktails, take 2.
How are we doing, guys? And what? How are you doing, guys and girls? Welcome back to another fun episode of Tom's Cocktails. And today, I'm going to be making a Mai Tai. Mai Tai. Not Mai Tai, but the Mai Tai cocktail. But with a bit of a twist. Now, if you've seen my previous 2 videos that went out, I made a shrub. And not a tree shrub, but a shrub. This is shrub. Ooh. A shrub. If you don't know what a shrub is, go and check out that video. It's up there. I'm pretty confident it is. If it's on the other side, you get what I'm saying anyway. I'm going to show you a few flair moves along the way. One with the glass, with the tin on tin, and maybe a couple of surprises as we go. So, let's get started. How do we start? Okay, so it's going in our fancy rocks glass, and we're going to start off with the spin stall, which is basically you spin the glass and you stall it onto the back of your hand or onto your elbow. Now, how you do this move is you're going to hold the glass on the side like this, okay? And as you throw it up, you let your fingers come off of the glass and let it spin in the air. So you want to get used to doing that first, throwing it up and just catching it in your hand like this. And then when you feel comfortable, you just let it land on your hand. And that's it. It's as simple as that. But it looks really nice when you have a glass like this where you can see it spinning and then it lands on your hand and stops spinning. Boom, pick up your glass, stall, maybe flip it to the other hand. And then let's get some ice in there so the glass is chilling. This is a shake and strain cocktail, so I'm going to be using the Tiki tin on tin, Tom's Tiki Shaker tin on tin. And the move I'm going to show you is quite a tough one, okay? So first of all, you need some ice in the big tin, and you got the small tin underneath, and it's just gonna pop in there like that. If I take this one very quickly, as you're throwing it, watch this hand, it turns over, stays in that position. This tin bumps and then comes back and lands into that larger tin. Boom, easy peasy, Japanesey. So we're gonna start off with 37.5 mils of white rum. I'm using Old J Silver, delicious. Then we've got some Trois Rivières VSOP, chosen by our special guest who will be making an appearance in a little while. We're putting 15 mils of that in there. Next, we've got some Cointreau. I learned how to say it since the last video. 12.5 of that bad boy going right in there. Next up, 30 mils of orange juice. Whoop. Then we need a dash of orgeat syrup. I'm using ODK, orgeat. Ah, that rhymes. There's a poet and you didn't know it. My shrub, pineapple shrub made by yours truly. We're putting 20 mils of that in there. Bam. It's delicious. And finally, we do need to balance out all of that lovely stuff with a bit of lime juice. Lime juice. Never gonna be able to do that again. So we're gonna put it's about 25 mils we need to go in there. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, now we need to give a good shake. Still got it. Not too hard. Oh yes. Smells delicious. And we're gonna give this a single strain. Ooh. Smells wonderful. Not even looking. Nice pour. Oh. See, what happens is, I've shown this on another video, when it's too full, you pick it up, you drink some and you put it back again. And then you're not wasting any, see? And then you get your Elemacule bitters. Now, as you can see, the bottle's smashed, and that's what we've got left. luckily. So, just gonna drop some of those on top. 4 or 5 drops. All right, finishing off, we're gonna have an orange wedge. Just cut a little bit into the wedge there, and a couple of pineapple leaves for a bit of extra color. Look, it matches. See? Matches. Orange, orange. Although that's kind of yellow, I know. Anyway, that is a cocktail with no name, which I'm calling the Mai Pineapple Shrub Thai. There you go. The Mai Pineapple Shrub Thai. Mai Tai. So basically, it is a twist on a Mai Tai using the pineapple shrub. And you can see how easy it is to use shrubs in your cocktails. So that is a Mai Tai. Let me bring in my special guest. Please welcome Mr. Charlie Barnes. Just arrived off the plane from St. Bart's, hence the tan. I mean, look at that shit, dude. You used to be white, didn't you?
Yeah, back in the day.
Anyway, this is Charlie Barnes. He's gonna be joining us at Flair Camp in a couple of weeks. So if you're watching this, you're coming to Flair Camp, you're gonna meet this lovely gentleman. Charlie, how are you?
Very well, thank you very much for having me in your Bartender studio.
Thank you very much for being here. Thanks for trying to help clear the flies out. You probably can't see it, but there is a couple of flies knocking about. Anyway, Mai Tai is your favorite cocktail.
It is indeed.
And you said you make one every day.
Well, not every day. Every time I have a hard day,
Okay.
I make one, and if it's really good, I'll make 2.
There we go. All right, give this one a shot. Huh? Badass?
Oh,
Yes.
gorgeous.
You can be honest. You can be honest.
I am honest, and that is gorgeous.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Actually, we made one earlier.
It was gone in seconds.
Oh yeah. We did make one earlier, and it was gone in seconds. That was from the excitement from the El Calamalule bitters. But there you go. You can tell it's a good drink when it's almost finished. It is a bloody good drink, actually.
It's lovely, isn't it?
That addition of those bitters really makes a difference. So please try it. It's good. You can finish it off. Go for it. No worries. Oh, there's some left. I'll finish that one then. Oh yeah. Well, that is destroyed. Anyway, Charlie, thank you very much for joining us at the end of this video. Really appreciate it. And thank you very much for the tip on the bitters. And please give it a shot. Let me know what you think. Put your comments, questions, and suggestions into the comments box below. Charlie, if anything you want to say to the lovely viewers at home.
Thanks for having me. Make sure you follow Flair Camp. Make sure you get your, well, if there's no spaces this year, because it's awesome, come back next year. I'll probably be there again.
Probably will do. This is what, your 5th time, 6th time?
It'll be the 4th time.
4th time that he's been there, 4th time, and he always tends to bring some people along. So yeah, if you're not going to be there, come and check it out next year, flaircamp.com. We hope to see you there. But until next time, we'll see you then.
Love it.
Now we've got to walk.